You got some bug spray?
Yeah.
Fishing at the river.
Close out. Okay, turn around. Okay.
Put your life jacket on. In case you fall in, you'll float.
Now with Albert Max, spray on your hands and then rub it on.
How did you do that? Here.
What are you gonna catch on that, a whale?
It's big enough for it.
You bought that at a yard sale?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't get the well
You do that, right?
You need a
Smaller hook.
dip net, don't you? It is. Matt, you can't fish if you stay hung up.
I got big ass fingers. I throw a floater on there. That won't hit the bottom automatically, but the sinker makes the floater sink.
You know, when you throw in, it's gonna go down the river, right?
Yeah.
You know, when I catch this fish, man, it can be like that deer hunting. You have to drag it in. Huh? You ain't gonna catch nothing with no tree limbs on there. They something hit that while ago. I guess it didn't like it, did it?
It's got to be moving so they just grab a hold of it. Yeah.
I think they need to put another sinker on there.
Yeah, they got one. I got two of them.
What?
Get away!
It's artificial
Get away!
crawdad or something. I don't know. I should be able to get a little further out this time. Yep. Be nice to get the night crawlers down here. Shit. Oh. I'm gonna be a bad place to swim too when the river goes down, clears up.
Is there something there to cut it with?
There's a pair of scissors in there. Robert, you wanna go fishing? Huh? Shit, the banks fell in. The banks fell in over here.
What?
The banks fell in. Huh?
Check out this thing. It's a rebel floater. I'll take that.
Does a little bit. Not with that thing hanging on it, ain't. Big floater and stuff on there.
I just down there. Albert, I can't let you run around. There's a river right there. You go drown it.
For real.
But if he falls out, I won't just go and get him out.
Huh? You're doing a good job. First time, is that first time you used to open the face like that?
Yeah.
There ain't too many people used to do. Matt, that thing's casting way out there. Huh? What is it?
I hooked that up there just the way it's supposed to be, I guess. No.
You didn't unloosen the bell. I got one. Shit, it come off. Where's your fishing pole?
You got it in your hand.
That's a floaty. That's a tank. It's made to float to go up that pole. Okay, what they done, they had a belt tied to it. And it went down there and hooked to that trash catcher. And so when the river went up and down, it slid up and down it. So the belt stayed on top of the water and it would catch garbage.
And see it right in that catcher.
But what would happen, it'd come a flood and it would break the belt.
So it didn't work right.
No, it didn't work right. But
How long's that been there?
ever since they put that trash bin
I
in,
never noticed that.
probably back in the 80s, or late or 90s. But how they could fix it, they got it tied solid down there. It don't move. If they would put a floaty down there like this one, then it would race too. Boy, somebody.
What do you think? 2 seconds is too much for that? Yeah, that's tough for it, but I think we're done no something.
It's too close to the bait too, ain't it?
Oh, it's a top water thing, a bait. It's supposed to be on top of water. Put them thinking on it, think. You ain't got no rooster tail, do you? Rooster tail probably good right here. Just flashing.
Thanks for pouring the gas.
Good job. That's right over. Heard.
Huh?
Right over.
That's up to them.
Huh? What he said. We're going somewhere else. Yeah, reel it in. you got one.
Some fish. Got barbecue on it.
Ain't no talking. No talking. We're fishing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Not from our...
Hey. Oh.
Look at all these leaves. There's leaves everywhere.
Huh?
There's leaves.
Rylan,
Gosh.
you have to push the button, sweetheart. Button's right in front of you.
Where's your phone?
We need to come up here and fish some when the river gets on down more right here.
you better watch
He gets mad. He gets everything.
Look who grabbed
He gets everything.
She's on my dog, Bradley.
Yeah.
Where's the fish at, Matt?
I'm about to show you, bud. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got it now, man.
Oh, man.
Get away.
Yeah. Got it.
Dad got one. Yeah.
Done, Granny.
There you go. That's the catch of the day. Blue in it. You think it's sun, Granny?
Ready on the bottom?
Yeah, but it's got blue through it too, the orange eyes.
Hey, Papa, did he do mine?
You eat that?
Did he do
You
mine?
want it?
Oh, she's in fruit.
Woo woo woo.
Hey,
You gonna touch it?
Touch it, Alan.
no.
Yeah, give me that.
You have one. What'd you do with it?
Come on. Yep. This reel about had it in it.
Look right through here and you find one. It's only across this water, okay? Too close to me.
What's on the rock a little bit?
Hey, don't lose it.
I got one.
Oh, it's a baby.
That's a different one.
There you go. 2 fish already.
Where's your dinner, Matt? Right there.
Hey.
Get warmer once you stay in it a little bit.
We're doing this with fishes at home.
I got another bite.
Ooh, who put a shell in their tractor and
Where'd you fish?
it was a lot of fishing.
Yeah.
That's a lot of fishing.
I threw them back in. It's too small.
That's the thing with me, I ain't got patience for it. Hell, if I ain't biting, but I'm done.
Been some beavers chewing on that tree over there.